Hello friends. Something happened on July 9, 2026, that changed the conversation around AI forever. OpenAI launched ChatGPT Work, a new mode inside ChatGPT that can take a goal you give it, break it into steps, and actually execute those steps for hours across your email, files, and other apps, with almost no hand-holding from you. At launch, over 5 million people were already using it every week. That is not a research demo. That is mainstream, and it raises a very real question. Now that AI agents are everywhere, who is actually making money with them, and how? In this video, I am going to show you 6 clear ways people are doing exactly that, right now. Before we get to the money, let me give you a quick, clear definition. A simple chatbot waits for you to ask something, gives you one answer, and stops. That is it. An AI agent is different. You give it a goal, like, find my top 10 leads this week and send each one a follow-up email. And it figures out the steps on its own, takes action across your tools, and keeps going until the job is done. Think of it like the difference between asking a friend a question versus hiring an assistant who actually gets things done for you. You hand over the goal. The agent handles the work. That one difference is what makes agents so powerful, and honestly, so valuable. Everything in this video is built on that idea. Alright, let's get into the actual ways to make money. Way 1 is selling freelance services built around AI agents. Think AI integration, workflow automation, connecting tools together so a business runs faster. Upwork's 2026 skills report found that AI-related freelance skills grew 109% year-over-year. And AI-fluent freelancers earn about 40% more per hour than peers who are not using AI. That puts skilled AI freelancers in the range of $75 to $250 per hour. Way 2 is running a lean agency. You use agents to handle the repetitive delivery work, which means you can serve far more clients without hiring a big team. Lower costs, higher margin, same great results for clients. Both paths reward one thing: the ability to solve a real business problem with an agent, not just talk about AI. Coming up next, let's look at 2 ways to turn that into recurring monthly income. Now here are 2 ways to turn that agent building skill into steady income. Way 3 is packaging a single agent as a software product with a monthly fee. Think of a Google review reply agent. A local business pays you $197 a month and the agent automatically writes professional replies to every new review. You build it once, then it runs. At 50 customers on that plan, you are earning close to $9,850 a month with no extra work per customer. Way 4 is custom builds. A client has a specific problem, you build an agent that solves it, and you charge based on the value it delivers, not the hours you spent. That can mean $2,000 to $10,000 per project. Next, let's look at 2 more ways to grow your income with AI, including running your own marketing almost entirely on autopilot. Way 5 is using AI to run your marketing at a fraction of the cost. Claude Opus 5, released on July 24, 2026, excels at long-form copy like blog posts and email sequences. GPT 5.6 Sol, running inside ChatGPT Work, can handle full multi-step campaign pipelines across your connected apps. Grok 4.6, released on August 12, 2026, powers agentic content workflows at a very low cost per token. Together, these tools let you produce SEO content, email nurture sequences, and social posts almost entirely on autopilot. Way 6 is owning a website as your revenue hub. It works for any of the 6 models in this video. It captures leads, builds trust, and converts visitors into paying clients around the clock, even while you sleep. Here is the honest reality check. Search for AI agent builders on any freelance platform right now and you will find thousands of listings that all say the same thing: I build AI agents. That generic pitch is a crowded, low-margin place to compete. But the market is wide open for something specific. Instead of saying you build agents, say you automate Google review replies for restaurant owners, or you generate leads for solo law firms, or you cut onboarding time for SaaS companies. That specificity is your actual competitive advantage in 2026. Clients do not buy technology. They buy a measurable outcome. The builder who can name the outcome, prove it, and deliver it consistently wins every time. Coming up next, let me show you exactly which model to start with based on where you are right now. Here is exactly where to start. If you have no coding experience, open ChatGPT Work today. Use it to deliver freelance services or run AI-powered marketing for a specific niche. That is way 1 and way 5, and you can begin this week. If you are technical, The Claude Opus 5 API and the Grok 4.6 API are available right now. Use them to build an agent-as-a-SaaS product or a custom client solution. That is way 3 and way 4, and the income ceiling is much higher. All 6 paths are real, but the one that works fastest is the one where you pick a specific outcome for a specific type of client, and you get known for delivering it. That is the whole game. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.